guys, today we are playing with the fidget spinners. If you can't, I don't know which has the. You may think fidget spinners are all, but we're just showing all of you. We think they're all. I'm just gonna spin for the longest. That's what happens. The Lamborghini is like broken. The one I got. All the ones. I think the fastest one is the UK one. See this one right here? Yeah, that one. Yes. That one's really fast as well. We got this one, that one, and the UK one, all in London. Okay, looks like the LED one is stopping. Basketball, what's that called again?
The super rare fidget spinner.
That one. The metal.
The one in the top left.
There's the rainbow, there's the egg, and the egg stops really quickly. The Arsenal fidget spinner is stopped. I'm surprised. The Arsenal fidget spinner spins for a long time.
I think. I see the problem.
Probably, yeah.
Indeed, yeah, I see.
We're playing with the fidget spinners. You probably think fidget spinners are old by this stage. Oh, I think I've already hurt my leg. Hashtag Instagram if I should get Instagram when I get my phone. Or hashtag phone if I should I should get a phone for Christmas. Music video still hasn't uploaded yet. This one that Rocky has, yeah, see where I'm pointing to? I think that one nearly goes the fastest. I'm surprised this one goes pretty fast. That looks like Dara's one a little bit. That one's about to stop. They're all slowing down. Hey, Alex, how's it going?
These are the fidget spinners.
Oh, there's one fidget spinner. Should we spin these? That was the first one I got, the soccer one. It is.
Oh my god, this one's so strong.
Fred broke it in school last year. He damaged it. It still spins. They've all stopped. Oh, it's between this one and this one. I would say
that one's good.
I would say this one. Because it did win last time. Oh, ooh.
Good for a while.
Share the love. Do a share the love logo. Okay, anyway, we're oh, it's so intense.
Oh my gosh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and then we got 18 and 19. Oh, so close. Who do you think has the most fidget spinners? I would say Steven Shearer. Steven Shearer spends $20 on fidget spinners. So old though. Oh.
I thought they were new.
Steven Shearer has so many fidget spinners. Okay, which do you think looks the best?
Right, here we go again.
I think I love this one. I think I'm
show up to the camera.
I like this one.
Yeah, I like this one.
Oh, one of these don't work. This is a glow in the dark fidget spinner. That one's broken.
No, it's not.
Oh yeah. But look,
I think this is
switches off when you spin it. Don't know which one, but guys, that was the fidget spinners.
Okay, I will spin it again.
If we have time. That one seems to really hit the ground. It's super hard. Can I spinning extremely fast. You know, let me spin fidget spinners. Which one do you think's gonna stop first?
With them two.
Oh my god, this one is going really fast. What would you say is your favorite one? I would say my one is the LED. No, actually, I love this one.
I got that in London for
I know.
£50.
I love the egg. People say
the egg is the rarest fidget spinner.
I thought it was like you're able to get Bluetooth fidget spinners.
Oh yeah.
They still sell Matchbox 16, 17. It's so weird.
I actually stopped that one, so let's do that one again.
Wait, why are you spinning that one? Did you spin that one?
Yeah, I did. I spin that one. I just spin that one because it's so a bit
Can you hold the camera this time, actually?
Right, my turn to hold the camera. Here's Chris.
Why?
Yes, both. Sounds okay.
I'm
Guys.
slagged up tonight.
What do you mean?
I fired up. I said slagged up the wrong way.
By the way, but though. That one's still going.
Everyone makes
See
music
that
videos
one?
when they get to a
There,
million
I'm just pointing
subscribers
to that.
or 100. But I
By the
seem
way,
to get. I made my music
This
video.
is the one we got in the Emirates. This one is the worst fidget spinner.
I bet I'm gonna get
now,
so much
hashtag.
views on the music video. I'm gonna get like so many views.
Okay, that one's still going because I spin that again.
This is the gift card that Louis gave me.
I got a gift card from the raffle.
Oh yeah, you're lucky. Yeah, this is the one that
That's
Louis
like-
bought
oh.
for me. Thank you, Louis. Shout out to Louis for hooking me this up for at my birthday. Louis, you rock.
Yeah,
Louis,
so
you
this
rock.
threat's 453.
You see, the problem was I couldn't change my YouTube name until it said 90 days.
Yeah, that's.
So I have to
So
wait
I have to wait this
90
summer.
days.
I think
And
it's
I have
sec.
to wait. I'm gonna wait until the end of November. But Tret, you rock. Just give me one last chance. I'll explain it to you in school tomorrow. About. I think he said.
Promise, Chris.
I think he said.
Don't say Chris is the slowest boy in the class.
What the hell?
Who said that? Probably.
Shaka said that last year, and so did Erica's.
Yeah.
Oh, that sucks.
By the way, I taught Shaka's son the Rocky and
Okay,
Erica's
that's a
son
bit-
the Stefan.
That's sort of payback, but no, we're only kidding.
Yeah, right.
Like you did.
By the way, Tom is slower than
Tom
Chris.
used to be really fast, but
Yeah, now
he's
he's
still
slower than
pretty.
me.
Well, he's actually still pretty fast.
I'm fast and Jake. By just
No.
this size. Oh my gosh.
You
Okay.
came first in your race. You bet Tom by like 3 inches.
Yeah, I was
so close.
so.
Tom was ahead, and then you just caught up. So if Alex is faster than Tom, I'm faster than
Yeah,
I'm faster.
You're way faster than Tom. Well, yeah. I every time I see Shaka, I always think he's slow for some reason. Because he looks. But he's not.
I wanna let Shaka wears tracksuits on board into this.
Yeah, so does Veronica Shields.
What the heck? You don't have to say. You don't have to say the second name, you know. I don't get that.
Yeah, I don't get.
But guys, that was the fidget spinners vlog. Hope you enjoyed it.
No, wait, you hold the camera. You first.
Until next time, guys. You know what to do.
Peace out, of course.
Stay awesome and share the love. Do a dab.
Peace.
Ouch. Do a dab. Oh yeah. Oh, can I do a dab?
Up dab.
Can I do a dab? What the heck is that?
Oh wait, this is the up dab.
What the hell? Here, can I do one quick dab?
Okay.
Oh yeah, we're still recording.
Cross me out.
Fred still does dabs. Okay.
Yeah.
You know what to do. Stay awesome and share the love. Peace. Goodbye.
And of course, I say this in my videos. Stay awesome and share love. Peace.